Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Husniatul Amalia and my register numbers are A1M224O14. So right now I'm going to explain about what is assimilation in English morphology.
And I, Nurfiki, with register number A1M224O22, I want to explain about assimilation in English morphology.
Okay, let's start with the definition. So, what is assimilation in English morphology exactly? Yeah, assimilation is sound change that makes speech easier and smoother. Why does it happen? Because when we speak quickly, our mouth and tongue try to more efficiently. So, some sounds naturally change or blend together. And yeah, there are three main types of assimilation. For the first one, progressive assimilation, which means the first sounds influence the next sounds. For example, like dogs, dogs. The ending S becomes Z because the previous sounds G is voice. So when we pronounce like dogs, dogs. The second example is cats, cats. The ending S stay S because the sound T is voiceless. So when we pronounce it like cats, cats. Okay, the second type is regressive assimilation, which means the next sounds influence the previous one. For example, like input, input. The sounds N become M because it comes from before P, which is bilabial sounds made with our butt lips, like B, P, M. So when we pronounce it like input, input. The second example is handbag, handbag. The N also changed to M before B. So when we pronounce it like handbag, handbag. In fast speech, we usually don't even notice these changes, but they make our pronunciation smoother. And the last types is consonant assimilation, which means these types happens when two sounds combine from a new one. For example, like did you, the sounds D and J merge into ch, ch, like the J in judge. So when we pronounce it like did you, and the second example is would you, again D and J become ch, ch, sounding like would you. Yep. So this type is very common in natural spoken English, and in short, assimilation makes our speech faster and easier to pronounce. Okay, that's all for me that explain about assimilation. Next, my friend will continue with an explanation about dissimulation. So, thank you. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I want to explain about the dissimulation. Dissimulation is a process of sound change in which two similar or identical sounds within a word become different, making the pronunciation easier and smoother. This change occurs because the tongue or speech organs naturally tend to avoid repeating similar sounds that are too close together. In other words, dissimulation helps speakers pronounce words more efficiently and naturally, making them sound clearer in everyday conversation. For example, February. Second, comfortable. Third, library. Fourth, surprise. Fifth, purple. And last, turtle. In short, dissimulation can occur in various languages. This process help speakers avoid two similar sounds appearing close together, making the word easier to pronounce and sounds more natural. I think that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, that's all about assimilation and dissimilation. Thank you for watching. Bye.